Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this update on Gala. It's actually needed because we covered it, I think, the 6th of November, so on Monday. And then we were talking about, I think I said that a breakout like this would be the most likely scenario. I think I said that, but correct me if I'm wrong. But what we talked about on Monday was that Gala was showing, even though it was in this yellow box, in this consolidation for some time after getting that initial impulse move, Gala was for the first time showing momentum here, right? You can see that in the price as well. And I believe you can also see that in the open interest. I forgot that, but here you can see. Yeah, you can see here basically the fifth right here, it had already gone up quite a bit. So then we said, all right, it's probably most likely that it will get that bullish breakout. 2.1, 2.15 is the main resistance, which was also the previous high. And today, Gala broke above that level. So it got that bullish breakout. It took perhaps a little bit longer than I expected, but in the end, it only took 2 days. But got that bullish breakout. So now what's next? All right, the price target I gave in that last video was around 2.4. The resistance level that Gala is really battling with right now is really between 2.3 and 2.5. At least on the short term. I mean, eventually, yeah, I mean, you can see the 200 EMA right here. It's really 2.3 to 2.4 on the short term. And then, you know, if Gala stays bullish, it could get up to 2.7, 2.75. But that's, I think it's a bit too early to talk about that. So now the big question is, will it still get there? So that's what we'll talk about. So let's get right into it. I actually wanted to say something else, I believe, but I'm not sure what. But yeah, right now you can see the open interest, it's growing. So Gala is doing good. There's also, and that's also helping Gala, there's a lot of momentum. There's a lot of strength right now in for gaming cryptos. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to find that really quickly. Maybe if I type in game right here, we can see a little bit. No, it will probably be too hard to find right here, but it should be somewhere here. I'm not sure why it's not showing. It would be nice. No, we're not going to be able to find that. Doesn't matter. All right, there's some sort of a gaming narrative. Gaming tokens are doing very well, obviously, because it's a sub industry, which has a lot of potential. So that's helping Gala as well. I'm going to stay with my original analysis by saying like 2.1 and 2.15 cents. I'll remove this because it's a bit ugly. But this level really is very strong. So Gala has broken above that. I think the breakout is deserved. I think it's a valid breakout. I don't think it's a fake out. I still think there's a lot of momentum coming from Bitcoin. And Gala is showing that it had, at least over the last about 2 hours ago, it had a lot of momentum. So I see no reason why it would only get up to 2.28 cents instead of going higher. So I do expect Gala potentially after getting a break retest at 2.14 and 2.1 cents. That's a possibility. But I do see it going higher. I do see it going up at least to 2.4, potentially spiking up to 2.5. And that is my initial analysis. Now, after that, like what happens afterwards depends a lot on how it reacts to that level. It depends on market circumstances. If the market stays bullish and Gala, for example, holds 2.3 or 2.25 as a support, then those 2.7 areas are very possible as well. All right, just so you know. But that's what we'll have to see. So this is my analysis. This is what I think is most likely if we take everything into account. Now, does that matter that this will happen necessarily? No, I mean, I could be wrong, right? If Bitcoin right now drops down all the way to 34,750, Gala will suffer. And like I said, Gala will retest this support. If it fails to hold that support, like if it breaks down below 2.1 cents again, it's back to this range. And this was a fake out, and I was wrong. So that's a possibility, and I want you to know that. But like I said, I mean, we looked at all of the numbers. It looks most likely that Gala will continue. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know. But for now, have a great day. Lastly, if you want more value from me in my premium group or potentially with trading signals, profitable trading signals, all the results are transparent. Links to that will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.